What it do? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Grace here, and today we in the kitchen because your girl's cooking up a storm. So I thought I'd bring you guys along. What do we have on the menu today? We got chicken, we got rice, we got mini potatoes, we got salad, we got the whole shebang. So and this is not like a step-by-step recipe, so if you don't like what I'm doing, guys, I'm so sorry. Please don't watch. It's just a freehand. I honestly don't even know what Ethiopian family even uses recipes. It's just here. It's just, you know, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and it works out. So I hope you guys enjoy. Step number one, y'all, wash your hands, because you know you go to that family member's house and you don't see them wash their hands and you just feel some type of way. Wash them good, scrub, sing the ABCs, you know. So I'm starting off with the potatoes because they're gonna take the longest to cook. These are little mini red potatoes, and I'm gonna cut them in half. Then we're gonna mince some garlic to add to our potatoes for that flavor. So we have our potatoes. We're gonna add a little bit of virgin oil. Don't go overboard. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna add the garlic that we just minced. There. Once we've done that, we're gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then we're gonna give that a good stir. Make sure the potatoes grab it. We got the heat on 400. Our potatoes looking delicious. And into the oven they go. See you in 40 minutes. Now that our potatoes are in the oven, we're gonna get started on our chicken. So I marinated this last night. Secret ingredient, I can't tell you what I used to marinate, but let me tell you, it's delicious, okay? So we're just gonna do a little simple shake and bake, and then we gonna head on to the rice. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your belly when I'm feeling on me. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question. So our chicken is fully lathered. We're gonna put it right next to our potatoes. Delicious. Hear the potatoes sizzling. Yes. Now that the chicken and potatoes are in the oven, I am grating carrots for the rice. So we got a little bit of oil and 2 cinnamon sticks in there. We're gonna add the onions first, saute them a little bit, then add the carrots. My basmati rice was soaking for about an hour and a half now. So I'm about to drain it. And yes. Add the water. Give it a stir. For the worst part, the cleanup. But let's check on everything before we do that. Our potatoes are roasting, chicken is looking good. Yes, and yes. Now to the dishes. Last but definitely not least, we're gonna make the salad. Didn't you guys just hate when... Well guys, this is very devastating right now. Let me check if we have another one. Luckily, still ranch, different brand, but it works. Let's go. I hate when they don't have a like a little spout thing and then just all falls out on your damn salad. Come on, you can do it. Let's go. What the heck is this? The devil is testing me. This is not okay. What the hell? Oh my. Here we go. Okay, first of all, we need to bless the food. Thank you, Heavenly Father, so much for this day. We give it into your hands. We pray that you bless this food to our body. Watch over the rest of our day. Watch over Joy, Mom, and Dad, wherever they are right now. I pray that you bless them. Bring them all home safely. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. How's the food, Mom? Well, you have to taste it first. Let's see you taste it.
It's very nice.
You never been tasted it. Stop lying.
Yeah.
Okay, taste it. Let's see. Well, guys, that is a wrap. I am extremely full. And now we're gonna obviously drink traditional Ethiopian coffee and then call it a nap. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in my next video.